Alright, this bad boy's been cooking all night. Let's go ahead, turn it off. Let's take a quick peek. Oh, wish you could smell this. Alright, cool. Gonna go ahead, let it chill now. Once it chills, I'll go ahead, pull it up, and throw it back in the pot. Then you can heat it up and it's ready to go. Well, alright. It's been a little while, so this is cooled down. Go ahead, take a nice look at it. Basically, you're just letting it cool down so that, one, it's easy to touch, and two, all that moisture that's been expelled out of it during the cooking process can now go back into it, make it tender. So, oh yeah. And the trick to this, if I did it right, I'll be able to pull the pork. And you can tell, oh yeah, just by touching it, oh yeah, it's just gonna come right apart. Oh, that's beautiful. So I'm just gonna go through here with my hands real easily, shred it, pull it, whatever you want to call that. Oh yeah. And then once I start running out of space, let's go ahead, put all that delicious meat back in all this juice here, because that's the real key for the flavor going through and through. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You can see from slow cooking it all night long that this thing just absolutely pulls apart. These are super tender, super nice. It's basically nice marinade going all the way through with that green salsa that we made up. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll go ahead, finish all this shredding, put it back in there, and these things are ready to go. If you want, kind of depends on your flavor profile that you're looking for. These can just sit in the juice and be real delicious. You can pull it out, make really awesome tacos, pulled pork sandwiches, whatever you're going for with it. Or whenever you cook it up, you could throw it in like a real nice small pan, reduce all that juice that you have, and then you're going to have a more richer flavor profile with that. However you like it. I mean, it's really simple like this, really delicious, really easy for everybody. Yeah, really just kind of depends on what you're using it for. But as you can see, this has just come out absolutely gorgeous. Then go ahead, once you got all this done, make sure everything's nice and covered in that delicious juice. Oh yeah. Voila, it's ready. You can go ahead, ring the dinner triangle, because everyone's coming to dinner for this one.